Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss regarding on some one problems. Problems is not so much find out something or calculate something, but we have to test it. The given transfer instruction, that is register transfer statements, that is true or it is working or not, or any that is it will work or it will operate or not, that we will see. Okay, so this is the that is one kind of identification actually, that a particular category of instructions or statements, is it wrong or it will work or not, that kind of a test we will do. Okay, so first case, you see, first case I took this one like a xt air complement transfer to air at the same time, the air zero data transfer to air, is it correct or not? Okay, so question is, what is wrong with the following register transfer statements? Okay, it is possible or not, that is we have to test it. Next, second question also similarly, at the yt it is this statement states that the content of R2 transfer to R1 at the same time content of R3 transfer to R1, means two register R1 and R2, these two register, the content of a two register transfer to register R1 at the same time, is it possible or not, that we will see. Okay, and another see, third one is similarly, the that's air address register transfer to PC at the same time, PC also increasing. Okay, is it correct or not? Please see, that is this kind of question we will solve, is it correct or not. So first case, you see, so first case, case 1, that is suppose first case xt shows that AR, okay, that is AR complement transfer the data at the same time, AR also receive zero data, is it correct or not? Actually, if you analyze this part, you see the complement, this is the complement, first one is a complement. This complement cannot be possible, means at the same time, because one is a complement, first case is this is a complement, we can tell as a complement. Okay, another is some data assigned to air. Okay, some data assigned to air, is it correct or not, that is, but that data not possible at a time if both the data not transferred to air, one is complement, another is air, it is not possible. Okay, this is the solution, means this statement if we execute, it cannot be complement and increment the same register, that is air register, okay, at the same time. Okay, and we can write also, cannot complement and receive this data, receive zero data by receive zero data by same register at the same time, not possible. Okay, if we go through this one at the same time, it is not possible in the first case. Second case, you see yt statement R1 R2 content of R2 transfer to R1, content of R3 transfer to R1. Okay, you write YT such that, sorry, this is R1, R2 data transfer to R2, and here R1, here is R3. Okay, that means at the same time R1 cannot receive the both data from R1 and R3. Okay, that is. So we can answer, here is answer we can write. Okay, answer also we can write here like cannot transfer, okay, cannot transfer two values, that is R2 and R3. Okay, two values R2 and R3 to the same register, that is R1, because R1 register they both content of R2 and R3 transfer to R1. Okay, in the same register at the same time. It is not possible. Okay, so it is not possible. Similarly, third case, you see third case how it is possible or not. Okay, third case, similarly here is ZT here, ZT PC receive AR data, and PC will be increment. Okay, so similar case, what you write in this case also same thing. Okay, because you see at the same time ZT, what happens in this statement, answer will be what you write, that is cannot, okay, cannot transfer a new value into a register PC. Okay, and because new value AR suppose contains some value at a transfer to PC at a new value, this data new value not cannot be transferred, because another concept is there at the same time increment, because it is increment, PC will be increment the original data, because here is the increment of original value, we can write increment value by 1, okay, by 1 at the same time. Not possible, because cannot transfer a new value into a register. If one register, it's okay, no problem, one statement is okay. At the same time increment the original value, what is the original value is there, it cannot be increment at the same time by 1 at the same time. Okay, so this is the answer of this. If these three questions given like this, what is the answer? So I wrote this answer as per this different questions. So some cases, what happens, some cases the operation can execute and find the solution, some cases cannot execute. Okay, because at the same time the any kind of statement receive the data from different register, cannot possible. Okay, so for that reason, if this kind of statement is given, then we see that the statement cannot be right, it is wrong. Okay, some wrong means the transfer of a data from any register to the corresponding register, that means at a time suppose 2-3 register transfer the data in a particular register, it is not possible. Okay, and a particular register cannot receive different data, means any complements data, its complement data or any other data or increment data cannot be possible. Okay, if this kind of question is there, so you have to justify accordingly. Okay, okay, thanks to watching these videos. I solved this problem, so I hope you understand these problems. Okay, and it's a solution. Okay, thanks to all, thanks to watch my videos, and give any comments if you want to give some comments to me. Okay, thanks.